Welcome to AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Vinay Gupta and we have got some exciting stories to dive in today. So let's get started. First up, Anthropic is making waves with its Claude app, now available on Android. This move is clearly aimed to challenging ChatGPT's dominance in the AI assistant market. The map offers free access to the Claude 3.5 Sonnet AI model with some pretty cool features. You can sync your conversation across devices, upload photos for real-time analysis, and even get instant language translation. For those who want more, there are Pro and Team subscriptions available. While the iOS launch was a bit modest compared to ChatGPT's, Anthropic is hoping this Android release will give the boost they need. It will be interesting to see how this plays and in the AI assistant arena. Moving on to some policy news, India is taking a unique approach to AI regulation. The Ministry of Electronics and IT is working on AI-specific law that aims to encourage innovation rather than impose harsh penalties. They are considering mandating social media platforms to watermark AI-generated content, which is a pretty smart move in the age of deepfake. What's really interesting in their focus on ensuring AI models understand the Indian context by training them in Indian languages and content. This balanced approach shows India's commitment to protecting interests while nurturing its growing startup ecosystem. It's a delicate balance, but one that could set a precedent of other countries. Now, let's talk about Bengaluru, which is absolutely crushing it in the AI world. According to a recent report, Bengaluru has now become the world's second largest hub for AI talent. Imagine this, over 25% of India's digital talent, that's more than 325,000 professionals, call Bengaluru home. The city hosts 60% of Forbes 2000 companies with a global capability centers in India. It's not just about a quantity. Through Bengaluru is leading in areas like application development, digital services, and IT consult. It is basically the Silicon Valley of India, and its importance in the global tech landscape can't be overstated. Before we jump back in the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top for all things tech. Here why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from a pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startup changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content. Stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. In consumer tech news, Realme is set to make a splash with its upcoming launch in 30th July. While the new Realme 13 Pro smartphones are grabbing headlines, I am more excited about the Realme Watch S2. Why? Because it is going to feature of ChatGPT powered AI assistant right on your wrist. We don't have all the details yet, but the idea of having a sophisticated AI helper that you can talk to anytime is a pretty mind-blowing. It is a big step forward in wearable tech, and I can't wait to see how it performs in a real-world view. On the law enforcement first, Nagpur Police is embracing AI in a big way. They have adopted a tool called Simba, developed by a Statue Technology. This AI-powered system is designed to enhance crime detection by providing instant information from various sources like CCTV feeds, images, and audio related to crime. It is integrated with a massive database over 150,000 criminals and offer features like speaker identification and facial recognition. The police commissioner is confident this will improve public security, streamline investigation. It's like bringing CSI level tech into a real world police. In this world of agriculture, Google is making moves with its Agriculture Landscape Understanding Tool, or ALU. This AI-based system uses high-resolution satellite imagery machine learning to provide detailed insight for farmers. We are talking about information on a crop types, field size, water availability, and even market access. It is already being used by a major players like a Ninja Kart and a SkyMax, as well as the Indian government. This kind of technology could be a game changer for farmers, helping them make a data-driven decisions to improve a crop yield. Lastly, let's talk about a Microsoft latest move in India. They have just opened a new innovation hub in Bengaluru, complete with the maker spaces of prototypes and special projects. It's a part of Microsoft's broader push into AI in India, which includes a partnership with the local startup and a goal to upskill 2 million Indians in AI by 2025. With over 20,000 employees across 10 Indian cities, Microsoft is clearly betting big on India's tech potential. That's all for this week AI Digest. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We love to hear your thoughts and these developments, so drop a comment below. Stay curious, stay informed, and well, see you next time on IT Voice.